Hello all, welcome to our channel. I am Shilpa Nagaraju and will be presenting the Indian Art and Culture syllabus prescribed for your UPSC, EPFC, AO examination. So in our previous videos, we have seen various aspects of Indian art and culture in the form of art and architecture, painting, cultural institutions, music, etc. So, a few words about me. I have a 6 years teaching experience online and offline. Have completed masters in public administration, pursuing my PhD. Have given UPSC CSE interview and qualified for UGC NET. I have 6 years experience in the government sector. So today's topic is about UNESCO's list of World Heritage Sites in India, and India is home to 40 World Heritage Sites. Agra Fort was the first place in India to be recognized as a World Heritage Site in 1983. The Taj Mahal, Ajanta Caves and Ellora Caves were all added to the World Heritage Committee's list that same year. India just joined the Super 40 club as a result of the addition of Dholavira, a significant monument from the Indus Valley civilization, to the country's list of UNESCO World Heritage Sites. So if you can see in the map, you can see the Indian World Heritage Cultural and Natural Sites. So in India, we have three types of sites, that is natural sites, cultural sites and modern cities. So what are these World Heritage Sites? Any location including an island, lake, forest, monument, desert or structure may qualify as a World Heritage Site according to the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. The UNESCO World Heritage Convention was established by the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization in 1972. India did, however, ratify the agreement in November 1977. With approval, India was able to submit sites for consideration as World Heritage Sites. There are 40 World Heritage Sites in India according to the statistics for 2022. On the list of nations with the greatest number of World Heritage Sites, it is ranked 6th. It also includes in its preliminary list 49 Indian sites. In India, there were 38 World Heritage Sites before the year 2021, including 7 natural, 30 cultural and 1 mixed site. 2 Indian sites were listed as UNESCO World Heritage Sites during the 44th session of the UNESCO World Heritage Committee, which was held in 2021. Ramappan Temple. On July 21, 2021, the temple, also called the Rudreshwara Temple in Palampet, Telangana, was declared a World Heritage Site. It's a Kakatiya-style Hindu temple to the Hindu god Shiva. Marco Polo, during his visit to the Kakatiya Empire, supposedly called the temple the brightest star in the galaxy of temples. The hall in front of the sanctum has numerous carved pillars that has been poisoned to create an effect that combines light and space wonderfully. The temple is named after the sculptor Ramappa, who built it, making it the only temple in India to be named after its craftsman. Dholavira, on the run of Kutch, next to the Dholavira settlement, is the Harappan city of Dholavira. On July 27, 2021, the historical location was added to the list of World Heritage Sites. There are 40 World Heritage Sites in India, as I told you earlier. Recently, the UNESCO designated Dholavira and Ramappa Temple were designated as World Heritage Sites. Dholavira's inclusion on the list of World Heritage Sites allowed India to join the Super 40 clubs alongside countries like France, Spain, Italy, China and Germany. So here are the list of World Heritage Sites in India. Agra Fort in Uttar Pradesh and was designated in the year 1983. Ajanta Caves in Maharashtra, the same year 1983. Ellora Caves, Maharashtra in 1983, Taj Mahal, Uttar Pradesh in 1983, Konark Sun Temple in Odisha in 1984, the group of monuments at Mahabalipuram in Tamil Nadu in 1984, Keoladeo Ghana National Park in Rajasthan 1985, Manas Wildlife Sanctuary, Assam in 1985, Kaziranga National Park of Assam in 1985, Sundarbans National Park of West Bengal in 1987, Nanda Devi National Park in Valley of Flowers in Uttarakhand in 1988, Khajuraho Group of Monuments in Madhya Pradesh in 1996. The group of monuments at Hampi, Karnataka in 1996, Fatehpur Sikri, Uttar Pradesh in 1996, churches and convents of Goa in 1996, the group of monuments at Pattadakal in Karnataka in 1997, Elephanta Caves, Maharashtra in 1997, Buddhist monuments at Sanchi in Madhya Pradesh 1989, Qutub Minar and its monuments in Delhi 1993, Humayun's tomb in Delhi in 1993, Mountain Railways of India in Tamil Nadu in 1999, Mahabodhi Temple Complex at Bodh Gaya in Bihar in 2002, rock shelters of Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh in 2003, Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus in Maharashtra in 2004, Champaner Pavagad Archaeological Park in Gujarat in 2004, Red Fort Complex Delhi in 2007, the Jantar Mantar of Rajasthan in 2010, Western Ghats of Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Kerala in 2012, Hill Forts of Rajasthan in 2013, Rani Ki Vav in Gujarat 2014, Great Himalayan National Park of Himachal Pradesh in 2014, Archaeological Site of Nalanda Mahavira, Nalanda University of Bihar in 2016, the architectural work of Le Corbusier, an outstanding contribution to the modern movement in Chandigarh in 2016, Kanchenjunga National Park of Sikkim in 2016, Historic City of Ahmedabad in Gujarat in 2017, Victorian and Art Deco Ensemble of Mumbai, Maharashtra 2018, Jaipur City of Rajasthan in 2020, and Kakatiya Rudreshwara Ramappa Temple of Telangana in 2021, Dholavira of Gujarat in 2021. So, the first amongst all, we can see some of the sites, that is the National Park of Kaziranga in Assam. In Kaziranga National Park, little human activity is present. It is located in Assam. The largest population of one-horned rhinoceros in the world resides in Kaziranga National Park. There are also tigers, bears, elephants and panthers nearby. In 1985, it was regarded as a UNESCO Natural World Heritage Site in India. You can see here the Kaziranga National Park having neighboring borders with Nameri National Park, Orang National Park, Manas National Park and Dibru Saikova National Park. The Keoladeo National Park. A large number of aquatic birds, including the rare Siberian crane, can be found at the Keoladeo Ghana National Park throughout the winter. There are 364 different bird species there. In 1985, India's Keoladeo Ghana National Park was listed as a UNESCO Natural World Heritage Site. The Manas Wildlife Sanctuary of Assam has tropical woods and alluvial grasslands, which is found within the boundaries of this wildlife sanctuary, which is situated in the Himalayan foothills. The Indian rhinoceros, pygmy hog, tiger, Indian elephant are just a few of the endangered animals that exist there. In India, it was designated as a UNESCO National World Heritage Site in 1985. The Nanda Devi National Park in the Valley of Flowers. In the western Himalayas, endemic alpine flower meadows can be found at Nanda Devi National Park and the Valley of Flowers. It has rare and threatened creatures like the blue sheep, snow leopard, and Asiatic black bear. In 1988 and 2005, the Valley of Flowers and Nanda Devi National Park, respectively, were designated as UNESCO Natural World Heritage Sites in India. The Sundarbans National Park, which spans 10,000 kilometers square of both the land and water, is situated in the Ganges Delta. It has the world's largest mangrove forest in the terms of area. The aquatic mammals, tigers, reptiles, and birds of the Sundarbans National Park are all endangered species. In 1987, it was inducted into India's list of UNESCO World Heritage Sites. The Agra Fort, an important Mughal structure from the 16th century, is the Agra Fort because it is constructed of red stones. It is also known as the Lal Killa or the Red Fort of Agra. A 2.5 kilometer long perimeter wall surrounds the Agra Fort. The fort contains numerous fairy tale palaces, including the Khan's Mahal and the Jahangir Palace. The Agra Fort also features two stunning mosques. In 1983, India's Agra Fort was designated a UNESCO Cultural World Heritage Site. The Ajanta Caves. Buddhist cave shrines can be found at Ajanta Caves. These prehistoric rock-cut caverns date to the 2nd and 1st centuries BC. These are the caves formed by rock. A large number of additional ornately adorned caves were added to the original category between the 5th and 6th centuries AD or the Gupta period. These caves show how Ajanta sculptures and paintings as well as other outstanding works of Buddhist holy art were influenced artistically. In 1983, Ajanta Caves of India were designated as a UNESCO Cultural World Heritage Site. Ellora Caves of Maharashtra caverns stretch for more than 2 kilometers. From 600 to 1000 AD, 34 monasteries and temples make up this complex. The Ellora Caves, like the Ajanta Caves, show distinctive artistic achievements with effective use of technology. It had temples dedicated to Buddhism, Hinduism, and Jainism. In 1983, India's Ellora Caves were designated as a UNESCO Cultural World Heritage Site. Taj Mahal. The enormous Taj Mahal mausoleum in Agra was constructed by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan between 1631 and 1648. White marble was used to construct Taj Mahal. This immensely admired work of art represents Muslim art in India as a sign of love. In 1983, India's Taj Mahal was listed as a UNESCO Cultural World Heritage Site. The Konark Sun Temple. On the Gulf of Bengal's banks sits the Sun Temple. It is thought to have been constructed in the 13th century at one of India's most well-known Brahmin sanctuaries. It's a colossal depiction of the god Surya, sun god in Hindu mythology. The cart has 24 wheels, each of which is embellished with a meaningful pattern. In 1984, India designated this location as a UNESCO Cultural World Heritage Site. Mahabalipuram, a single rock was cut into a collection of sanctuaries known as the Group of Monuments near the Coromandel coast. It is renowned for its rathas, mandapas, enormous open-air reliefs and sculptures that capture Shiva in all his grandeur. In 1986, the complex of monuments at Mahabalipuram, which belonged to the 7th and 8th centuries, were designated as a World Heritage Site. Qutub Minar and its monuments. Another 13th century red stone structure in Delhi is called Qutub Minar. With a diameter of 14.32 meter at the base and 2.75 meter at its height, it has a distinctive tapering shape. Alai Darwaza Gate and the two oldest mosques in North India, namely Quwwatul Islam, are located on either side of it. It was constructed from leftover materials from 20 Brahmin temples. In 1993, Qutub Minar was recognized as an Indian Cultural World Heritage Site by UNESCO. The Mountain Railways of India. The Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, Nilgiri Mountain Railway, and Kalka Shimla Railway are the three sites that make up India's mountain railways. In 1999, 2005 and 2008 respectively, these three Indian mountain railroads were designated as UNESCO Cultural World Heritage Sites in India. The hill forts of Rajasthan. Six imposing forts, that is Jaisalmer, Jaipur, Jhalawar, Savai Madhopur, Kumbhalgarh and Chittorgarh combined to form the hill forts of Rajasthan. The Rajput royal power that ruled from the 8th to the 18th centuries is visible in these forts. These forts show a sophisticated water gathering system that is still functional. In 2013, India's Rajasthan hill forts were designated as a UNESCO Cultural World Heritage Site. The Kanchenjunga National Park in Sikkim of North India. The Kanchenjunga National Park is situated in the heart of the Himalayan range. Many distinctive glaciers, valleys, lakes and plains can be found here. The national park also has mountains covered with snow. There are ancient forests all through these mountains. The third highest peak in the world, that is Mount Kanchenjunga, is also located in the Kanchenjunga National Park. Mountains, caves, rivers and other natural features have cultural value in addition to their natural significance, since they are associated with many legendary legends. The residents of Sikkim reveres these items because they are connected to several religious myths and rituals as per the Buddhist beliefs. Thank you so much, and we'll meet in the next lessons in our next classes. Please like and subscribe to our channel and also share with your friends. Thank you and have a great day.